Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to transfer designs well with a nail stamper. If you bought a stamper but it doesn't work well with gel, please try the method introduced in this video. You don't need to draw complex patterns with a brush. If you use the stamper well, you can quickly complete nail art just by stamping it. I'll introduce two methods, transferring with gel and transferring with nail polish, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Here is the stamper we will use this time. To transfer a design with a nail stamper, you need this stamper and a design plate. One question we often get from viewers is whether it is better to use gel or nail polish to transfer the design. To make a long story short, you can transfer with either gel or nail polish with the stamper. However, if you were to ask which one transfers designs more beautifully, the answer is definitely nail polish. We'll also introduce a method that combines nail polish and gel, so please take a look at the end. First, let's start with the method of transferring with gel. Apply your favorite color gel twice beforehand. This time, we'll apply navy so that the design is easy to see. After applying 2 coats of color gel, apply a matte coat to the entire nail. You should also apply a matte coat if you're transferring with nail polish. Applying a matte coat will make it easier for the transfer design to stick and less likely to blur. Once the matte coat has hardened, it's time to transfer the design with gel. It is recommended that you use a bright color gel here that is the opposite of the color you apply to the entire nail. In this case, we are using a navy base, so we will be using white. If you want to increase your success rate, you can use a gel that contains a lot of white pigment, such as a liner gel, to ensure a good transfer. Apply a generous amount of gel to the design of your choice on the silver plate. Once you have applied enough gel to make the design invisible, prepare the scraper that comes with the stamper. Place the scraper at an angle on the plate to remove excess gel. From this point on, the gel is likely to repel, so work quickly and don't waste time. Press the stamper directly above the plate to transfer the design. Once you have transferred it, immediately expose it to a nail light for about 1 second. This allows the gel to be temporarily hardened. Now look at the stamper from above and press it vertically from directly above the nail. Once you have transferred it, expose it to the light for the amount of time indicated on the gel to completely harden it. After it has hardened, apply a non-wet top coat and harden it to complete the process. If you use gel, the key is to copy the design onto the stamper, then expose it to the light for a moment to temporarily harden it. Also, if you are unable to pick up the design on the stamper properly, it is possible that the silicone part of the stamper is repelling the gel. In this case, tap the surface of the stamper repeatedly with a melamine sponge and try transferring it after the surface becomes cloudy. This will scratch the surface and make it easier to pick up the pattern. Also, after you've finished using the plate, clean it with ethanol on a paper towel before storing it. Next, let's take a look at how to transfer the design using nail polish. I recommend this method using nail polish because it transfers more beautifully. Just like with gel transfer, first, apply 2 coats of color gel, and once it hardens, apply a matte coat. When transferring with nail polish, it will transfer more beautifully if you apply a matte coat first. Once the matte coat has hardened, you can transfer the design using nail polish. With nail polish, the drying process starts the moment you apply it, so it's a race against time. First, apply a generous amount of nail polish over the design you like. Once you've applied enough nail polish to make the design invisible, place a scraper diagonally on the plate to remove the excess nail polish. Next, lightly press the stamper against it to copy the design. Once you pick it up on the stamper, transfer it immediately. Look through the stamper and transfer it onto your nail. Unlike gel, the lines of the pattern were stamped neatly without any distortion. After the transferred nail polish has completely dried, apply a gel top coat and let it harden to complete the process. When using nail polish, it's all about time. If you take your time, it will dry out and you won't be able to transfer it properly, so you need to work quickly. And if you put too much pressure on the stamper when transferring the design, the image will become distorted. So try to stamp with a light touch. Also, clean the plate with polish remover or ethanol before storing them away. How did you like the tips for transferring well with the stamper? If you use gel, you can transfer the design well by temporarily hardening it. And if you use nail polish, you can transfer the design well by rushing, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.